morning children. Today we are going to learn solving perimeter problems. This lesson from block number 16 LP4. Today aim will be able to solve problem based on finding the perimeter. In last class we learned how can we find the perimeter. Perimeter formula do you know children? Yes, we need to add sum of all the sides. Okay, we need to add the length of all the sides we need to add, and we are getting the answer, that is what perimeter of this shape. Okay, and today they will give some story problems. We need to read the stories, then we need to analyze, then we should solve the problems. Okay, if I want to run around the ground, okay, I want to find out how much distance I covered. Okay, how can we find out children? We need to find out the perimeter of this playground, isn't it? How can we find out the playground? If it is, this is a playground, okay, I ran around this playground means we need to find the length around this playground, that is the perimeter of this playground. Okay, today we need to read the story, that is an athlete runs around a square field. Okay, one side of the field measured 70 meters. Okay, what distance does he cover in one lap? Again I am going to read. An athlete ran around a square field. What? The field is square. Okay, and one side of the field measured 70 meters. One side is 70 meters. What distance does he cover in one lap? One lap means full one round. Okay, which means we already know the squares have how many sides? 4 sides, and all sides are equal length, which means the left side also 70 meter and right side also 70 meter, and then down also 70 meter. Okay, if I want to find the perimeter of this field, okay, how can we solve this problem? First we need to make a sentence. The formula is what? Perimeter is equal sum of all the sides. Okay, on this side is 70 centimeter, 70 meter and 70 meter, 70 meter and then 70 meter. Okay, square have 4 sides, that's why I written 4 times 70 meters. Then we need to add everything. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28. 28 we should write, and then we need to add 0. Okay, and here the athlete ran 280 meters to cover one lap. We need to solve like this. Now I am going to give one more sum. You should solve in your rub book. Okay. You need to copy this sum. That is, Jyoti and Anu want to fence a rectangular garden. That is, rectangular garden of length is 5 meters and breadth is 3 meters. What length of wire should they buy? Okay, you need to solve this problem in your rub book. We will discuss about this in the analysis part. Thank you. Welcome to analysis part, children. I hope so you finish your work. Okay, Jyoti and Anu wants to fence the rectangular garden of length 5 meters and breadth 3 meters. What length of wire should they buy? Okay, first we need to read the story, then we need to analyze what kind of shapes they given. Okay, what shape they given? Here they given rectangular, and then we should draw rectangular in the right side of your notebook. Okay, and we need to fill the length and breadth. Okay, measurement we need to fill it. Here 5 meters, length 5 meter, and then breadth is 3 meter. Here also 5 meter and 3 meter and 3 meter. Okay, now we get the measurements and then diagram also we done. And then what questions they are asking? What the length where should they buy? Which means we need to find the perimeter of rectangular. Okay, first we need to write the formula. Perimeter is equal sum of all the sides. Okay, perimeter is equal sum of all the sides, which means from here to there. We are going to find the length from starting from here to fully. Clear? Okay. Now sum of all the length means first we need to take this measurement, then this, like this. Which means here we need to write 3 meter plus 5 meter plus 3 meter plus 5 meter. We took all the measurements. Okay, now we need to add everything. This is 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Okay, total 16 meter. How much length we need to cover that? We need 16 meter length of wire. We need to cover this. Is it clear, children? When first, if they are giving the story problems, we need to read the story. Then we need to find what kind of shape is this. Okay, once if you find out the shape, you need to draw the diagram. Then we need to find the length. Okay, and we need to fill the measurements. Then you need to write formula. Okay, sides of all the length. Any shapes. If we given the pentagon, you need to draw pentagon, and you need to add 5 sides also. Pentagon have 5 sides. That's why we need to add 5 measurements. Okay, and then finally we can find out the answer. Okay. Now in HOD questions they given. The HOD questions they given a table cloth is 2 meter and 10 centimeter long and 1 meter and 50 centimeter wide. Okay. The tablecloth have which shape, children? Rectangular shape. Okay. If they given only one measurements, we can say that is a square table. Okay. If they given two, that is rectangular. Okay. Then here the length is 2 meter and 10 centimeter. And then wide is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay. Which means rectangular opposite sides are equal. Which means here also will come 2 meters and 10 centimeter, and this side 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay. Now we need to find the perimeter of this rectangular. Okay. Now we need to write the formula is perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. And then we need to add everything. Here they given the one is meter and centimeter, and here also 1 meter and centimeter. We need to find the length, its boundary in centimeter. We need to convert, which means 2 meter 10 centimeter. We need to convert to centimeter, which means 2 meter we can write it as 1 meter plus 1 meter plus 10 centimeter. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 100 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. We need to add everything to 100 plus 100, 200, 210 centimeter. Now we converted this to centimeter. And one more measurement they given 1 meter and 50 centimeter. 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal 150 centimeter. Okay. Now we replace here, we converted by the centimeters. 210 centimeter, 150 centimeter. Once we finish, we need to add everything. 210 centimeter plus 210 centimeter plus 150 centimeter plus 150 centimeter. (210 plus 210) 420 centimeter plus 150 plus 150 300 centimeter. Then we need to add this both. 720 centimeter long, length of its boundary. Okay, the length of this boundary is 720 centimeter long. Okay. After this, you read textbook page number